Hello students, welcome after a long break. Today let us continue the chapter database concepts using LibreOffice Base. Up to now we have studied its introductory part as well as the different data types in the LibreOffice Base. These different data types are alphanumeric, calendar and binary. We have also studied how to open the LibreOffice, what are the different characteristics of the LibreOffice and how to do the various operations in LibreOffice. Today let us start the database designing. Under the database designing, first step is the table creation. Now let's study how to create the table. To create the table, first of all open the database. Click on table. Here you can see the table icon here. Click on this table icon. You will get two options. First option is create table in design view and second is use wizard to create the table. That means here we can create the table by using two options in design view and through the wizard. Today we are going to study table creation in the design view. Next step is type the field name. You have to type the different field names. Then you have to select their field type and you have to provide their description. By default, when you open any table, that time first key is the ID. Its field name is ID. ID means identification and by default it is assigned as a primary key. Primary key is indicated by this yellow color key. Primary key is the unique key which cannot be repeated throughout the field names. For example, if you have provided ID here as a 1, then you cannot provide the number 1 to the other students. What is the unique ID? Unique means only one. Only one data can be provided here by using this primary key. Then we have to provide the different field types. That may be integer, that may be the character, that may be the text. Different field types can be provided here as per the field names. Then you have to provide the description of the field name. You can give the field name as a short names, but under this description you can provide their detailed description. Let's see in the next slide. Here one more example of the primary key, that is student ID. You all are having student ID, that is the unique number. Also adults having government assigned and uniquely identifiable social security number. Also your Aadhaar card number is a primary key which cannot be duplicated. It is only a unique. Unique key is known as the primary key. This primary key can be implemented to any column within the table. Then here we have provided some fields in this table. First field is the R number. R number having the field type text of varchar. Varchar having here it is having the different properties. First property is entry required. Yes, that means you have compulsory provide some data under this field. Then length, its length can be 100, maximum 100 characters will be its length. Then default value, here default value can be provided. If user has not provided any value, then this default value can be used as the specific field name. Then here format example are shown. It can be implemented to different fields. These field properties are related with all these field types. all these field names. This roll number having the different field properties, this student name having different field properties, this city having different field properties, as well as this mobile having different field properties. Depending on this field, these properties will be changed. You got this? You have to provide the field name, you have to provide their data type, and then provide the description of this field name. Then here you have to save the file and then close the file. Here when you close the file, your table creation process is completed. You have generated the fields within the table. Now you have to insert some records within that table. For that, you have to open the table. Now to open the table, just click on the table name which you will get at the left side, and then you will have such type of window. In this window you will get initially only as the R number, NM, city and mobile. Under these fields you have to provide specific data which will be related with these fields. For example, here roll number 101, 102, 103 up to 106 are provided. Then name Amay, Kedar, Avdut, Shweta, Prajakta, Aditi, these names are provided. City are Solapur, Bid, Pune, Ahmednagar, and again Solapur are provided. And similarly you can provide the mobile numbers. Here it shows record 1 of 6. Here total 6 records are provided, and currently we have highlighted record number 1. Therefore it is showing the record 1 of 6. Also here some buttons are given. These are the navigation buttons. It shows the first record within the table. It shows the last record within the table. It shows the previous of the current record, and it shows the next of the current record. You all are familiar with all these buttons. Then here plus sign is provided to expand this bar. You can see more details by clicking on this plus sign. Okay, this is the structure of the database. This is a complete database created by you. Here only mobile number is remain. We can provide it. This is all about the table creation. Today's your homework is that you have to just write the answer of the question, what is a primary key. Okay, you have to revise everything from introduction up to here, and then we will continue our next topic in next lecture. We will stop here.